Next option is a vectorize option. We need any black and white image, so vectorize can trace that black and white image and create shape according to our need. So I click on this vectorize option. Inside this texture option, I can click over here to find out my texture or black and white texture. It's better to find texture like this or file like this, or you can find file like this and invert that according to your need. So I can click over here on this hippo image and then I say open. It's asked me about copying this file to the local folder of Cinema 4D drive. I just say no to this. You can see it's traced that file according to its black and white property and create this tracing for the modification. I can use the different type of tool like a extrude, lathe or sweep later on to create a final result from this option. You can go and change the width of this file, a tones level for a smoothness, see, and again the plane X, Y, Y, Z and XZ options like this. Next one is a four side, same like a plane, but you can change the shape over here. Maybe a diamond, a kite, or parallelogram, or trapezium. You can change the A and B option over here and the angle of the slope like this. Next is a seesaw. You can change like this and tension like this. Next one, cogwheel is a nice option. Legacy mode, you can change it like this, or inner radius, outer radius, bevel of the edges. You can off this legacy mode, and you can say show guideline for the better result. You can go and say teeth. You can change the teeth like this, orientation like this. You can create lots of different shapes by using this option. Inlay, type spokes, arches, waves like this. You can again rotate that, or orientation. You can change the property of orientation or the waves. Again the outer radius and frequency of this shape. Amplitude like this and phases. In the width of it like this. You want to remove the center hole, just click over here. You can remove it. To modify that, you can change over here like this. Cut out. You can change the depth of this option or width. Next thing is cycloid. I say frame all. This kind of thing is there. They have different option over there. You can check whatever you want, like this or like this. Create different type of shapes. Next one is a formula. You can see they have some logarithmic option over here, so you can change that for great result. Let's create something like this, a wave type shape. You can very easily animate that or create different object by using this formula option. Next one is a flower, a very simple easy flower over here. Change the inner radius, outer radius, different properties to create a great output. And last one is a profile. You can change the height of this profile, type of this profile like L shape or T shape. I'm using perspective view to show you these all things in clear manner. And you can see you can change the other properties of that profile option. So these are basic shapes available with the spline modeling. 3D object from a spline. Let me first explain about parent-child relation inside Cinema 4D. For that I create a basic object like a cube and another basic object like a torus, like this. Now we can see inside object manager these two individual objects are there, but I'm to create parent-child relation between this box or cube and this torus. Whatever object you want to become as a child, just drag that object from here on that other parent object. You can see the arrow is showing me the down option. That means it's become a child of this torus. So when I click and drag over here and click and just release my mouse button on this torus name, or after appearing this icon, down arrow icon, is become parent. The cube is become a child of this torus or torus. Now whenever I move this torus, you can see the cube move with it. But still cube have their individual property, so I can move cube individually. But whenever I move, rotate or scale this torus, my cube get modified. This way I can create a parent-child relation inside Cinema 4D.